Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect SAP to Power BI. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up your browser and search for SAP connector from Microsoft.net. Make sure you download the latest version. As of recording this video, it is 3.1. I'll also leave a link in the description as well. So just scroll down here and download the one that is applicable with your system. So mine is a 64-bit system, so I'll go ahead and click on that. And then you'll actually be required to log in. Okay, so go ahead and log in and you can download and install the file, as you can see. Now, once you have that done, I want you to just go ahead and open Microsoft Power BI. Come here and click on Get Data, click on More, and a pop-up will open up where I want you to just go ahead and hit search here and type in SAP. You'll get different options, 3 of them actually. So we have the SAP HANA database, we have the Business Warehouse Application Server, and Business Warehouse Message Server. So for example, let's say for this one, you just click on it and then hit connect, and it will ask you for credentials. So it will ask you for the server, the system number, client ID, and you can choose the data connectivity mode. So it's either import or a direct query, and then just hit OK. And then after that, you just choose database, enter username and password, and hit connect. And it is that easy to connect SAP to Power BI.